From what looks like a simple traffic stop to a wild high-speed chase with a passenger who took over the truck, and high-speed chases in Florida, where the Florida Highway Patrol pulled off a pit maneuver on a stolen vehicle while going full speed, to a dangerous high-speed chase and a crash with a police car. This driver's night ended with a drunk driving charge, a hospital visit, and a whole list of other charges. Here are some of the most brutal chases I have ever seen. High-speed police chases caught on Dashcam. From a routine traffic stop to an unexpected pursuit. As we can see, the driver of the F-150 calmly exited his vehicle, was detained, and placed into a police car to prevent the situation from escalating for the safety of the cops. The officer approached the vehicle from the passenger side, but just as he got closer, the passenger switched to the driver's seat and hit the gas, kicking off an incredible chase. This is an unusual case because the driver of the F-150 became involved in the chase. The driver, who was detained right from his vehicle, which was later stolen within minutes, had a lot to say.
You see him, sir? What? You see him? Yeah. Stop him. He ain't got no business about that.
I'm coming around 365. Careful.
At 61, careful, I dump this out, dude. Hang out here with this trooper.
You may get out?
Yeah, I want you to get out.
Okay.
Hey, he's not.
The cops transferred the driver to another vehicle so that the officer could join the pursuit without concern for the passenger in the back.
Might as well go ahead and cut him.
All right, I'll get him. You go, man.
I got this camera.
That's him, that's him.
Well, he's passing on W. Back off, I got something. Back off. He's in the wrong way. Spikes are in the wrong way. That's the spike. This works. We already got a move with our back in our airspeed. Going into pursuit.
The cops saw a perfect opportunity for a pit maneuver. If you're curious, here's a brief explanation of what a pit maneuver is. In this case, Trooper Corey Earls executed a pit maneuver on the red Ford F-150 to stop it, but the truck ended up hitting another vehicle stopped at an intersection. The suspect was quickly pulled out of the vehicle and arrested.
You're coming in visual. Do you need 711 for who? Need a 711 for now, I can hold the auto shop for a Ford vehicle. We're doing it.
This is a stolen SUV that has merged onto the highway and reached speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour, making this pursuit very dangerous. The Florida Highway Patrol officer is trying to position for a pit maneuver, but the SUV driver is not allowing it.
140 westbound, 110 miles an hour, he's trying to push the Yeah, well, he said the 130 westbound, shoulder, keeping out of work, trying to get across the bus Anybody has spikes in it? Exit.
The pit maneuver was invented back in the 1970s, but is highly dangerous at such high speeds because it cannot be controlled how the vehicle will spin. Over the years, the pit has proven quite effective. Sometimes the question arises whether it is better to attempt a pit or call off the pursuit and allow the fugitive to escape if they have identification based on the license plates. Later, the decision to apprehend the suspect depends on the overall safety and risk assessment conducted by law enforcement at the scene. The opportunity for a pit maneuver presented itself almost perfectly. We see one patrol car ahead, another on the right side, and one behind attempting a boxing maneuver. Eventually, they executed the pit maneuver successfully, causing the vehicle to veer off the road with minimal damage.
Hit him now! Successful pit. Vehicle's up on the shoulder.
Here's how you shouldn't act if you've committed a violation before getting into your car. A Volkswagen Passat was speeding down I-40 in West Memphis. Trooper Dylan Evans spotted the car swerving between lanes at high speed, breaking several traffic laws in the process. The suspect showed complete disregard for all road users, driving recklessly and creating dangerous situations. After a successful pit maneuver, troopers identified the suspect as Lewis Thomas.
DVI 282, DVI 282. DVI 282.
The reason for his attempt to flee is alcohol in his blood. Lewis was charged with the following: reckless driving, fleeing, criminal mischief, driving while license suspended, no insurance, open container of alcohol. If you want to know why the police chased a security instructor in front of his clients, be sure to watch the next video, and don't forget to hit that bell.